What I'm going to show you how to do is how to set up your MIDI trigger points in session view. Okay, I can do this in one of two ways. I can either use a MIDI USB device or I can use a computer keyboard. Okay, the first way I'm going to show you how to do this is using your USB MIDI device. Now we normally use an Akai MPD-16 for this at the drum riser. Okay, and I'm going to take for granted that you have that set up already, that you have the drivers installed if necessary, that you have the preferences set in Ableton. Okay, and so hopefully I'll be able to show you that in another video. Okay, once I get that set up, what I need to do is to go into MIDI mapping mode. Okay, so at the computer keyboard, I'm going to select Apple M. Okay, and that's going to make the screen blue. Now what I want to do is with the mouse over here on the right, I want to select this song. So I'm going to go to the first song of this set, Always Will. Okay, then I'm going to go over to the Akai pads, and I'm going to hit the top left pad once. Okay, and then you can see how the MIDI note number here gets appointed. Okay, then I'm going to select the second song with my mouse. I'm going to go over to the pad and hit pad 2, which would be the next pad to the right. Okay, and so then on down the line, pad 3, pad 4. Okay, then I'm going to press escape on the computer keyboard. All right, now I'll be able to start and stop those songs at will with the pads. Okay, now stop is always by default the bottom right pad, okay, on the Akai. So just hit that to stop. Okay, so that's the first way to set it up. The second way is very similar using the computer keyboard. So instead of hitting Apple M for MIDI map mode, you're going to want to hit Apple K for key mapping mode, okay? And like I said, this is done in the same way. Just select the song and then go to your computer keyboard and you can hit any number or letter you want. Okay, the nice thing about using this is you can use your computer keyboard in conjunction with your MIDI trigger with your Akai. And it's not an either-or thing. You can use them at the same time. So let's say you have your drummer on stage to start the song for one of the songs, but then you want your computer keyboard off stage to start another song off stage. So that's the nice thing about that. A couple things to note: if I need to delete one of these, I can just select the song and press delete. Now that will delete the mapping. Okay. And the other thing you want to know is you can't have the same keystroke or same MIDI pad selecting two different songs. Okay, so you can see if I go to Always Will here and I hit 1 on the keypad or on your computer keyboard, then I go to Nothing Can Separate and I hit 1 again, it's going to give me an error message. Okay, so I can just say no to back out of that. All right, so that's how that works.